Welcome to this What We Think section. This is our opportunity to go ahead and share how we shape what we think to go ahead and communicate with you. In fact, within this section, you will go ahead and find what we call practitioners' perspectives, not theoreticians' perspectives, right? Practitioners' perspectives, these are leaders who share their experiences and insights, which we hope will inform and transform your thinking and perspectives as well. We also go ahead and share our own repository of insights that is gleaned through our experiences. Sometimes these would be articles that we publish on various publications, sometimes in the UK, sometimes on Forbes. These are all publications that we hope will inform you that comes through our experiences. Other sets of artifacts that we put in here are podcasts, videos, webcasts, each one of which follows a specific topic, and we go ahead and look at how do we take experiences, concepts, and stretch them further to aid your journey of getting more value. You will also find that there are some curated insights, articles where we curate from different sources. There are also micro-learning modules that helps you to consume at a glance. I'm hopeful that this rich repository helps you to go ahead and develop a better set of leaders and a better organization. If you believe that you would like some of these to work for you to translate your aspirations into results, let us know. We would be most happy to go ahead and work with you to empower your success within your organization.